ರಾಮ 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 जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय विघ्न विनायक मूर्ति की शारदा देवी की वल्ली देवसेना कान्तस्मरणं नमः पार्वती पतये जय पराशक्ति माता की जानकी कान्तस्मरणं सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं बोला पुण्डलीक वरदे सद्गुरु ज्ञानानंद मूर्ति की आंजनेय स्वामी की समस्त भक्त मंडली की हरिनारायण 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 दुरित निवारण हरिनारायण दुरित निवारण परमानंद सदा शिव शंकर भक्त जन प्रिय
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Sai Priya, the disciple of Priyamvada Murli. Bhagavad Mela Vidyalaya Meritur and Lasya Melalaya Bengaluru for the 5th year in continuing curates this dedicated online festival in the memory of its founder Guru Melitur late Shri S. Natarajan, thereby fulfilling his profound vision for making a difference to one's life through practicing an art form. ಸಂಗೀತ ನೃತ್ಯ ಖಲುರಿ ಕಲಾಃ ಸಂಕಟಾತಿಕ್ರಮಣಾಯ ಸಾಧನಾಃ. Sachidananda Nataraja Samarpana Mela 2025 connects legendary gurus and innovative artists across the globe who have transcended barriers and challenges, striving for the cause of their art, thereby inspiring the younger generation for an impactful socio-cultural empowerment. We seek the blessings of our Parama Guru Padma Shri Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran on this auspicious moment as she enters the 75th year of service to the art form this year. We seek her perennial guidance as always as we carry on the noble mission of Bhagavatamela Vidyalaya in its 12th year. Deep reverence to Guru Melitur late Shri S. Natarajan and Guru Patni Srimati Anuradha Natarajan, Bhagavad Mela Vidyalaya Melitur and Lasya Melalaya Bengaluru humbly present Sachidananda Nataraja Samarpana Mela 2025. Pranams.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Nivedita. Sachidananda Natarajana Samarpana Mela 2025 is immensely overwhelmed to feature Guru Dr. Ravi Teja in the unique Perini Nritya Samarpana. He hails from an illustrious Guru Shishya Parampara, and his passion for pursuing this rare and energetic art is visible as we speak to him. In spite his highly busy schedules and travels within and outside India, he magnanimously shared his work in memory of Guru Natarajan. His respect and regards for Guru Natarajan was evident as we interacted with him. Guru Dr. Ravi Teja. Dr. Ravi Teja, Ravi Kumar, is a versatile dancer, actor, and choreographer. He is working in Tollywood as a choreographer. His profession is in Perini, Andhra Natyam, Kuchipudi, and Bharatnatyam. He is a disciple of Guru Padma Shri Dr. Nataraja Ramakrishna, Guru Sri Kala Krishna, and Guru Bhagavatula Yagna Narayana Sharma. He is devoted and dedicated towards these art forms. He completed his masters in Kuchipudi and Andhra Natyam. He is an ICCR artist in panel and worked in Malaysia. He is a Doordarshan grade artist and is also a member of the International Dance Council CID, UNESCO Paris, Telangana State in charge of South Asian Fraternity, SAF, New Delhi. He received doctorate in Malaysia in the field of Perini dance. He has acted and choreographed in many TV serials and movies in Telugu film industry. Perini Rudra, Natya Kumara, Kala Maharishi Sanman, Pratibha Ratna Award, Nritya Guru, Yuva Kala Ratna, Nritya Priya, Kala Jyoti, Seva Ratna are some of his titles. He performed above 3,000 shows in many national and international platforms like USA, Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Mauritius, and many more. We are indeed humbled to have Dr. Guru Ravi Teja share us the glimpses of unique Perini Nritya Samarpanam all the way from Hyderabad, Telangana. Guru Dr. Ravi Teja in Perini Nritya.
Myself, Dr. Peni Raviteja, Peni dancer and guru from Hyderabad, Telangana. I'm disciple of Guru late Padma Shri Dr. Nataraja Ramakrishna. I'm very thankful to Srimati Priyamvadaji to give this opportunity to remembering Melatoon legendary Guru late Sri Natarajanji on the 5th year of Samarpana. He was a very kind personality and with a beautiful soul. He started Bhagavati Mela Vidyalaya for younger generation to know the rich culture and tradition of Bhagavati Mela. Particularly the rural community students who are not able to know it. In this project, 250 above students are getting free training in the guidance of Srimati Priyamvadaji, the daughter of late Guru Sri Natarajanji, the disciple of Padma Shri Srimati Chitra Visweswaran. I am wishing you all the very best to all the students of Bhagavati Mela. I hope you all the students grab this opportunity to learn the rich culture and the tradition of Bhagavati Mela. In brief explain of Perini dance, and I am showing some Perini dance performance. Please watch it. Thank you.
What is Perini Shivatandavam? The Perini Shivatandavam is also called the dance form of warriors from the Telangana region of India. The Perini, the word Perini derives from the word Prerana, which means the inspiration. This dance performed as a tribute to Lord Shiva, and this dance originated during Eastern Chalukyas but flourished during the Kakatiyas. And the key features of this dance form include the purpose. This dance form performed by male warriors before going to the battlefield in front of Lord Shiva's idol to embodify them with the aspects of Shiva of Raudra and Veera. This dance form over the time which was forgotten but revived in the 20th century by Nataraja Ramakrishna using the text like Rucharatnavali by Jayapa Senani and the sculptures of Ramappa temple. The costumes of this dance form, which include costumes, the dancers wear the traditional ornaments made up of gold and shells, and they apply ash to their bodies, and they carry the dummy cobra and wand in their hands. And the orchestra of this dance include accompanied by the mridangam, nadaswaram, tal, so that it creates the intense rhythm which will energize the performers and also the audience. So the Perini Shivatandavam reflects the martial spirit and culture of the Kakatiya dynasty. And the revival of this dance form became the essential part of, represents the essential part of India's intangible cultural heritage.
ಕಾಹು ಕಾಹು ರೇ ಕಂಜರಿ ಕಂಜರಿ ಜೇಕು ಜೇಕು ರೇ ಜಗ ಜಗ ಜಗನಂ ರಿಂಜು ರಿಂಜು ರೇ 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 ರಿಂಕಿನ ರಿಂಕಿನ ಕಾಹು ಕಾಹು ಕಂಜರಿ ಕಂಜರಿ ಜೇಕು ಜೇಕು ಜಗ ಜಗ ಜಗನಂ ರಿಂಜು ರಿಂಜು ಜರ ರೇ ರಿಂಕಿನ ಟಕ್ಕು ಡಿಕ್ಕು ಟಕ್ ಡಿಂಕು ಪಡರಟ್ಟಿಕು ರೇ ಕಾಹು ಜೇಕು ಜಗ ಟಕ್ಕಿ ಟಕ ಟಕ ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಟಕ ಟಕ ಸೊಂಗಿ ಟಕ ಟಕ ನಂಗ ಟಕ ಟಕ ಟಕ್ಕಿ ಟಕ ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಟಕ ಸೊಂಗಿ ಟಕ ನಂಗ ಟಕ ಟಕ್ಕಿ ಟಕ ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಟಕ ಸೊಂಗಿ ಟಕ ನಂಗ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಮಿತ 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 ಗಿಡದರೆ ತದ್ದಿಮಿತಗ ದೋಹಂ ತಗ ದಿಮಿತಗ ದೋಹಂ ತಗ ದಿಮಿ ಗಿಡದರೆ ತಜ್ಜನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ಗಜ ತದ್ದರಿ ತಾಕರಿ ತದ್ದದಿಗಿನತಂ ತಜ್ಜನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ತದ್ದರಿ ತಾಕರಿ ತದ್ದದಿಗಿನತಂ ತಜ್ಜನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ಗಜ ತದ್ದರಿ ತಾಕರಿ ತದ್ದದಿಗಿನತಂ ತಾ ಹೇ ತಜ್ಜನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ಗಜ ತದ್ದರಿ ತಾಕರಿ ತದ್ದದಿಗಿನತಂ ತಜ್ಜನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ಗಜ ತದ್ದರಿ ತಾಕರಿ ತದ್ದದಿಗಿನತಂ ತಜ್ಜನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ತದ್ದರಿ ತಾಕರಿ ತದ್ದದಿಗಿನತಂ ತಾ ಹೇ ತಜ್ಜನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ಗಜ ತದ್ದರಿ ತಾಕರಿ ತದ್ದದಿಗಿನತಂ ತಜ್ಜನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ಗಜ ತದ್ದರಿ ತಾಕರಿ ತದ್ದದಿಗಿನತಂ ತಜ್ಜನ ತಜ್ಜನು ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ಗಜ ತದ್ದರಿ ತಾಕರಿ ತದ್ದದಿಗಿನತಂ ತಾ ಗಣಜಂ ನಗನಗನಗನಗನಗಜಂ ಜಂತಜಂ ಜಂತದಿ ದಿಮಿತ ಗರಿತದಿ ಗಿನಕತತಾ ಗಣಜಂ ನಗನಗನಗನಗನಗಜಂ ಜಂತಜಂ ಜಂತದಿ ದಿಮಿತ ಗರಿತದಿ ಗಿನಕತತಾ ಗಣಜಂ ನಗನಗನಗನಗನಗಜಂ ಜಂತಜಂ ಜಂತದಿ ದಿಮಿತ ಗರಿತದಿ ಗಿನಕತತಾ ಗಣಜಂ ధనం ధరితకిట తారి తరితకిట ధనకుజం గినకుజం గిననం తా తైదత్త సాంకృత ధన ధనకుజం జగదగ జగదగ ధనం ధరితకిట తారి తరితకిట ధనకుజం గినకుజం నగజం తా తైదత్త సాంకృత ధన ధనకుజం జగదగ జగదగ ధన ధనకుజం జగదగ జగదగ తత్తలాంగతగతం తగదలాంగతగతం తగదగ తత్తలాంగతగతం తగదలాంగతగతం తగదగ తత్తలాంగతగతం తగదలాంగతగతం తగదగ తా ధీ తత్తలాంగతగతం తగదలాంగతగతం తగదగ తత్తలాంగతగతం తగదలాంగతగతం తగదగ తత్తలాంగతగతం తగదలాంగతగతం తగదగ తా ధీ తత్తలాంగతగతం తగదలాంగతగతం తగదగ తత్తలాంగతగతం తగదలాంగతగతం తగదగ తత్తలాంగతగతం తగదలాంగతగతం తగదగ తా తరిత గణజం తగజగనగనగతజం జనతజం జనతదిం దిమిత గతితదిం గినత సకతా తరిత గణజం తగజగనగనగతజం జనతజం జనతదిం దిమిత గతితదిం గినత సకతా తరిత గణజం తగజగనగనగతజం జనతజం జనతదిం దిమిత గతితదిం గినత సకతా తరిత గణజం గణజం జం జం తజ్జగనం జం తజ్జగనం జగనం నగనం తగజం తజగన సగనం తాం తగనం తోం తదిగినం నం తగిన జం జం తజ్జగనం జం తజ్జగనం జగనం తగనం తగజం తజగన సగనం తాం తగనం తోం తదిగినం నం తగిన జం తజగన తాం తగన తోం తదిగినత జం తజగన తాం తగన తోం తదిగినత జం తజగన తాం తగన తోం తదిగినత తా హే జం తజగన తాం తగన తోం తదిగినత జం తజగన తాం తగన తోం తదిగినత జం తజగన తాం తగన తోం తదిగినత తా హే జం తజగన తాం తగన తోం తదిగినత జం తజగన తాం తగన తోం తదిగినత జం తజగన తాం తగన తోం తదిగినత తా తరిత ధనజం తగజగనగనగతజం జనతజం జనతదిం దిమిత గతితదిం గినత సకతా తరిత ధనజం తగజగనగనగతజం జనతజం జనతదిం దిమిత గతితదిం గినత సకతా తరిత ధనజం తగజగనగనగతజం జనతజం జనతదిం దిమిత గతితదిం గినత సకతా తరిత ధనజం జేక దిమిత గదిజం తా గద జగద జగదజం జగదజం కదజం జేక దిమిత గదిజం తా గద జగద జగదజం 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 కదజం జగద తగద జగద తగద జగద తగద జగద తగదంతం జగద తగద జగద తగద తగదం జగదజం జగదజం కదజం జగద తగద జగద తగద తగదంతం జగద తగద జగద తగదంతం జగద తగద జగద
Thank you.
गोविन्दं भजरे मानस गोपालं भजरे 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 गोविन्द गोपाल 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 गोविन्दं भजरे मानस गोपालं भजरे 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 सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं जय सद्गुरु स्वामी की